Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mention someone on your Instagram note. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram note. So I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages to create note. And if you want to create note, we can go to this section. You can tap on this option and then you can write your note, or you can create note with music or with video. It's up to you. And for example, I'm going to add music to my note. For the music, I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and you can select the part of the music you want to add to your note. I'm just going to select this part. Okay, and then you can write your note right here. For example, I'm going to write how are how are you, and I'm going to mention someone on this note. If we want to mention someone, we just need to type in add like this, and you can write the username of the account you want to mention, just like this. Basically, if you want to mention someone, you just need to type in the username. Same with when you mention someone on your Instagram story or your post or your reels. And for example, I'm going to mention this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on share. Okay, and then someone we have mentioned will get notification on the Instagram. Actually, I have just mentioned my second account on Instagram, guys, and I'm going to check my second account on Instagram. Okay, this is the result, and we'll be able to open the note like this, and I'm going to reply it. Okay, we can reply to the note that mention us. Okay guys, and that's all the way to mention someone on Instagram note. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.